Creamy, dreamy, and packed with healthy fats. This fruit can improve your heart, brain, and skin all at once. Avocado isn't just a trend, it's a nutritional legend. Hey superfood seekers, welcome back to the channel where good food meets great science. Today, we're digging into the buttery green fruit that took the world by storm, the mighty avocado. Whether it's on toast, in a smoothie, or just with a spoon, avocado delivers a unique combo of nutrients that your body will love. Let's break it down, with the science to back it up. Avocados are rich in monounsaturated fats, especially oleic acid, the same heart-friendly fat found in olive oil. Clinical research published in the Journal of the American Heart Association shows that replacing saturated fats with avocado can significantly reduce LDL, or bad cholesterol, and improve overall cardiovascular health. They also contain phytosterols, which help block cholesterol absorption in the intestines. Your brain thrives on fat, but the good kind. Avocados provide folate, vital for neurotransmitter balance and mood regulation, and potassium, which supports healthy blood pressure in the brain. A 2017 study from Nutrients linked avocado consumption to improved attention and working memory, likely due to their antioxidant and anti-inflammatory compounds. Avocados are loaded with vitamin E, which helps protect your skin from oxidative stress and slow aging. Plus, their high content of lutein and zeaxanthin, powerful carotenoids, filters harmful blue light and supports retinal health. These compounds accumulate in skin and eye tissues, acting like natural sunscreen and anti-aging agents. One medium avocado provides around 10 grams of fiber, making it one of the most fiber-rich fruits. This fiber feeds your gut microbiome, improving digestion and reducing inflammation. The combo of healthy fats and fiber keeps you full longer, helping with weight management and even reducing belly fat over time. Let's clear this up. Yes, avocados are calorie-dense, but they are nutrient-dense, meaning you get tons of vitamins, minerals, and satiety from a modest portion. Research shows people who regularly eat avocados tend to have lower BMI and waist circumference than those who don't. It's about mindful eating, not calorie paranoia. It's 8 p.m., you're starving and craving junk food. But then, you remember that ripe avocado. You mash it on toast with some lemon and pepper. In minutes, you've got a creamy, satisfying meal that feeds your heart, brain, gut, and taste buds, all without guilt. Avocados aren't just trendy, they're transformative. With heart-healthy fats, brain-boosting nutrients, skin-protecting antioxidants, and gut-loving fiber, this fruit belongs in your daily rotation. Think of it as a multitasking marvel in a green jacket. If you're Team Avocado, smash that like button. Got a guac twist or avocado smoothie recipe? Drop it in the comments. Let's share ideas. And hit subscribe so you don't miss more deep dives into foods that fuel your best self. Stay smooth, stay smart. See you in the next one.